The Meteorological Department revealed that the strong northeast monsoon is covering the Gulf of Thailand and the south, causing more rain in the south and some areas to experience heavy rain. At the same time, a strong cold air mass is covering the north and the northeast, causing the weather on the mountaintops to be very cold to very cold, with frost in some areas. Today, the Meteorological Department forecasts the weather for the next 24 hours. Another high-pressure area, or relatively strong cold air mass from China, is covering the upper part of Thailand and the South China Sea. This condition will cause rain in the upper part of Thailand at first. After that, the weather will cool down with strong winds, and the temperature will drop by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. The mountaintops will experience cold to very cold weather. The tops of mountains will experience cold weather. People in the aforementioned areas should take care of their health due to the changing weather. The strong northeast monsoon is covering the Gulf of Thailand and the south, along with the low-pressure cell in the lower south and Malaysia, which is likely to move down to the Andaman Sea, causing more rain in the south and heavy rain in many areas, with very heavy rain in some areas. People in the aforementioned areas should be careful of the dangers of heavy to very heavy rain and accumulated rain, which may cause flash floods and forest runoff, especially the slopes near waterways and lowlands. The waves in the Gulf of Thailand are quite strong, with 2 to 3 meters high. In areas with thunderstorms, the waves are higher than 3 meters. The Andaman Sea has waves approximately 1 meter high, and further from the shore, the waves are higher than 1 meter. In areas with thunderstorms, the waves are higher than 2 meters. Sailors in the Gulf of Thailand and the Andaman Sea are asked to sail with caution and avoid sailing in areas with thunderstorms. Small boats in the Gulf of Thailand should refrain from leaving the shore. People in the south, especially along the east coast, should be careful of the dangers of strong waves hitting the shore during this period. Dust during this period. The upper part of Thailand tends to have less dust and smog accumulation due to the stronger winds and good ventilation. Weather forecast for Thailand from 6 a.m. today to 6 a.m. tomorrow. Northern region, upper part of the region, cool weather with fog in the morning, and the temperature will rise by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. Lower part of the region, cool weather in the morning, and the temperature will drop by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius with some light rain. Minimum temperature 16 to 23 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 29 to 34 degrees Celsius. The weather on the mountaintop is cold to very cold. Minimum temperature 6 to 15 degrees Celsius. Easterly wind, speed 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Northeastern region, cool in the morning with strong wind, and temperature will drop by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius with 20% chance of rain, mostly in Nakhon Ratchasima, Buriram, Surin, Sisaket, and Ubon Ratchathani provinces. Minimum temperature 17 to 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 27 to 31 degrees Celsius. Cold on mountaintops with minimum temperature 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Northeasterly wind 10 to 30 kilometers per hour. Central region, 30% chance of rain mostly in Lopburi, Saraburi, Phra Nakhon Si Ayutthaya, Kanchanaburi, Ratchaburi, Nakhon Pathom, Samut Sakhon, and Samut Songkhram provinces. After that, cool in the morning with strong wind, and temperature will drop by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 21 to 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 30 to 33 degrees Celsius. Easterly wind 10 to 25 kilometers per hour. Eastern region, 40% chance of rain, mostly in Sakayo, Chachoengsao, Chonburi, Rayong, Chanthaburi, and Trat. After that, the weather will be cool in the morning with strong winds, and the temperature will drop by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 21 to 25 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 29 to 32 degrees Celsius. Southeast wind 20 to 35 kilometers per hour. Waves in the sea will be about 1 meter high and about 2 meters high further from shore. Southern region, East Coast, 80% chance of thunderstorms and heavy rain in many areas, with very heavy rain in some areas in Prachuap Khiri Khan, Chumphon, Surat Thani, Nakhon Si Thammarat, Phathalung, Songkhla, Patani, Yala, and Narathiwat. Minimum temperature 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Northeast wind 20 to 40 kilometers per hour. Waves in the sea will be 2 to 3 meters high and higher than 3 meters in areas with thunderstorms. Southern region, West Coast, 70% chance of thunderstorms and heavy rain in some areas. Ranong, Phang Krabi, Trang, and Satun provinces. Minimum temperature 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 26 to 29 degrees Celsius. Easterly winds 15 to 35 kilometers per hour. Waves in the sea are approximately 1 meter high, higher than 1 meter offshore. In areas with thunderstorms, waves are higher than 2 meters. Bangkok and its vicinity, 40% chance of rain. After that, the weather will be cool in the morning with strong winds and the temperature will drop by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 22 to 25 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 30 to 33 degrees Celsius. Easterly winds 10 to 25 kilometers per hour.